and then I just concluded this project. You can see in another video. I only want to show you what I'm doing here. Why a big one? I'm trying to sift the soil and keep in this bucket, and you cannot see well there, but I will show you later. And where I can keep define and sift the soil for seed starting. And so here is a bag of soil, and you see that it comes in very chunky pieces of soil and some twigs here, and we are trying to avoid to have it like it is on the seed starting process. So let's get more of the soil here for you to see what really stays and what it passes and how fine the soil stays. So here it is. This is not the soil. So it's a good rich material that you can use in your compost, you can use on top of your garden, but not right here. So I hope this helped just for sharing this easy way to do it. So you don't have to do it as often. Big pile of soil. Sift everything here on this bucket and keep it in your closet so you can actually use it anytime until you get another bag. So if you have any question, just make your comments below and I appreciate it. Namaste. Here you can see what I mentioned to you. This is a 54 gallon heavy-duty tote, so I use it as a base for the sifter, and I keep with the leads there. The lead stay, and I do from the bag of soil my sifter, and look at this, so good and grounded. This is a good soil for seed starting. Yeah, I just want to show you how we can keep it protected. Good idea.